Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris here, and today what we're going to be checking out this new truck that I just put together. But right now I'm at the baby center. My wife is getting checked out. We're about 2 weeks out from having the baby, and you know, this is right in the middle of this coronavirus thing that's happening. So, you know, things are kind of crazy, so I got to wait in the truck. Hopefully my camera's not shaking too much and the audio from my air conditioning ain't too crazy, but so yeah, hopefully the baby will be here soon. Me and my wife are healthy and fine, and check out this truck. Alright, so this body I 3D printed, made it a standard cab. 2017 model, doesn't have a standard cab option, but it's been 3D printed, filled, sanded, painted black, painted silver flake, painted candy gold, clear coated, wet sanded, put the logos on it, cleared it again, and this is what we have right now. It's hard to tell, but this is kind of like bass boat flake. This is all on a VS410 chassis for SEX10, just the chassis upgrade. The cage was custom built by us. You can bolt it on and off or whatever, and you know, switch it to another rig. The wheels are the 3.2 D1 RC. These came all chrome. We painted the lip black, painted the faces candy gold. Halo headlights, LED fog lights. All the trim was painted with that silver chrome paint marker thing. Painted the back. So yeah, this thing is pretty good. It has deadlock portal axles, magnetic body mounts. All the wiring I just shoved up in the top there. It's got the Chaos Hobbies logo in the back of the cab. Pretty flawless, smooth paint like a car. The chassis was painted with Rust-Oleum bed liner. Kind of gives it a scale bed liner look. Got some Proline shocks, VS410 transmission, incision links or incision shafts. As you can see on the edge where I had to cut it, it's not like a thin body. It's about 3 mils thick, so it should be fairly durable. This truck is going to be listed up for sale on my website, or I may list it even on eBay, so take a look for the link. Look in the description for a link for all the parts that I have available on here, and if anything else, it'll be on Amazon or whatever. So I'm also going to be doing a build video coming up. This is our new chassis. It's a low center of gravity. We were just testing it out. We're going to be setting it up with that Rock Racer body. So I use everything off of a standard SCX-10-2 kit. The links, the axles, the shocks, the drive shafts. I do give you a gas tank for the support in the back, a flat faces skid for the bottom, the servo tray, and battery tray. The width of the chassis, it accepts all standard bumpers, so you shouldn't have any trouble putting anything on it. We're going to be running this body on here, building a cage for it, an external cage. So if it's something you interests you, you know, like and subscribe. Sorry for my FPV guys, I'm kind of burned out of FPV right now because of the coronavirus and everything. So this is what I'm messing with today. So if anybody is interested in the chassis itself, this is what you'll receive if you order the complete chassis. It comes with the servo tray, the battery tray, a flat skid, and then your rear brace. So it's low center of gravity. Everything from a standard SCX-10 2 will bolt right up to it. The Panhard Bar, I'm using a Treel. I'll put a link in the description. I'm just using an aluminum one, cutting it off and hard bolting it right to the side. It works great. I've been testing it on my other truck. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe. And if you want to see this get built, actually it'd be the other truck. If you want to see it get built, then stay tuned. I'll be doing some videos here in the next few days.